Welcome to our SURG Mathematics channel. In today's class, I am doing 10th standard MCQs based model question paper 2. So question from 1 to 30 already I completed and I uploaded in my previous videos. In today's class, I am discussing the questions from 31. Yes. Question number 31. The lengths of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it is. So lengths of the tangents are equal. So answer equal. So option B are equal. Question number 32. In the given circle with the center O, ACB, AE and BD are the tangents. Here ACB, AE and BD are the tangents. If AB is equal to 12 centimeter. See, AB is equal to AC plus BC, that is equal to 12 centimeter, and AE is equal to 3 centimeter. Then find BD is equal to question mark. Here AE and AC are the two tangents drawn from the point A to this circle. It means AE is equal to AC, that is also equal to 3 centimeter because tangents are equal. We want BD. So now BD is also equal to BC. Tangents are equal. No? So AB is equal to AC plus BC. AB is 12, AC is 3 plus BC. So BC is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Yes, 9 centimeter. Now this BC is equal to BD. Tangents are equal now. So BD is equal to 9 centimeter. The length of BD is 9. So option D. Question number 33. In a circle with center O, the secant is. So many lines are there. You have to find this. Which one is secant? See, PQ, it is also called ROQ, it is a diameter, and AB is a tangent. Now the XY, it is the secant. It passes through the 2 points of the circle. Yes, it is the secant is XY. So answer option B. Question number 34. A student divided a line of length 9 centimeter in the ratio 2:3 geometrically as shown in the figure. The correct lengths of AM and MB obtained by calculation are respectively equal to. The total length AB is equal to 9 centimeter and ratio is equal to 2:3. So now AM is equal to sum of ratio, and in that AM is sum of ratio is 5. In that AM is 2 parts. So 2 by 5 parts of 9 centimeter. 2 9s are 18 by 5 is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Same next MB is 3 part. 3 by 5 of 9 centimeter, that is 27 by 5. So here 5.4 centimeter. So option C. Question number 35. The correct relation between the sides of the triangle ABC given in the figure. Here ABC, B is a 90 degree. So right angle triangle, in that AC is hypotenuse and remaining two sides. So using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is b square, AB is c square plus BC is a square. The correct relation b square is equal to c square plus a square. So you can write like this also, a square plus c square. So option D. Question number 36. The volume and the surface area of a sphere is numerically equal. Then the radius of the sphere is you write down the two formulas. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Both are numerically equal, no? So 4 by 3 pi r cube is also equal to 4 pi r square. Yes, see, 4 and 4, pi and pi. So these 3, these 2. Yes, r by 3 is equal to 1, which implies radius is equal to 3 units. Yes, option A. Question number 37. A funnel given in the figure is the combination of. So this funnel is prepared by combination of two figures. See, this one figure up to this one figure and up to this one figure. This is the cylinder. Yes. And this is the, see, it is not a cone. So now cone is like this, and here we cut it. Yes, we draw one line parallel to the base. So now the figure is this one, this line. See. So this is the figure. So remaining part of the cone. This is known as frustum of a cone. Yes, it is a combination of cylinder and a frustum of a cone. So option B. Question number 38. The solid is in the shape of the cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and hemisphere are equal to r centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is h centimeter, then the volume of the solid. This solid is formed by a combination of two hemispheres at the end and one cylinder. So write down the volume of the hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2 pi r cube by 3, and same volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Yes, it is the combination of two hemispheres, one cylinder. So volume of solid is 2 hemisphere plus cylinder. Okay, 2. So first you write down volume of hemisphere is 2 pi r cube by 3 plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Yes, next 2 2s are 4 pi r cube by 3 plus pi r square h. So now I am taking pi r square and pi r square common. Yes, so pi r square. So here remaining things is 4 and here 1 r and 3 plus in this term h. So this is the answer. Volume of solid is pi r square bracket 4r by 3 plus h centimeter cube. It is the volume. So option A. Question number 39. The height and the radius of the base of a cone are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Then the slant height of the cone. It is a cone and it is a radius r and it is a height. So it is h. So slant height is this one. So base of the cone are, yes, it is a radius is 5 centimeter and height is equal to 12 centimeter. Then L is equal to question mark. So using Pythagoras theorem, it is a hypotenuse and it is 90 degree. Now this one is a hypotenuse. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. H square is 12 square, r square is 5 square. 12 square is 144, r square is 25. So it is total 169. So L is equal to square root of 169, 13 centimeter. So answer option C. Question number 40. A frustum of a cone shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of the sphere. Then the volume of the sphere. See here, the cone, a frustum of a cone shaped jaggery is melted. How much quantity? That much only remolded, completely remolded to the shape of the sphere. Then the volume of the sphere, that there is no change in the volume. It means sphere, volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the frustum. So answer D. There is no change in the volume, means volume of both the volumes are equal. Then the volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the frustum of the cone. Yes, up to this the second set mathematics paper is over. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ 40 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳದ್ದೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.